Today, I went on a run this morning. And yesterday, I created a video talking about your relationship to movement. And then I realized, I could elaborate on this a little bit so that it made more sense. And today, so I go on a run, and I have a few requirements for myself when I run. I make sure that I make the run enjoyable. That means that how long I run, like I usually run around 30 minutes. I don't know. I don't know how far I've gone. I run around 30 minutes because that just feels right. I've been doing that lately, running around 30 minutes, seeing if that was right. Because I kind of tested it out. Hadn't been running for about a year, so I thought, well, I'll just go and I'll go running for about 30 minutes, see if I like it. So then when I go out there, I do a little speed work, not a lot. I'll just accelerate and then slow down. But the key to the run is that I really stay as much in the moment as possible. And I want to make it attractive to come back to. So if I push myself a little, which means I may make myself uncomfortable some, I embrace it. Then I get back to where my breath, gets back to a normal for running. I really stay in touch with my breathing. And so what I wanted to talk about is the experience of my run is more important than the mileage, the calories, the competition, if I competed or whatever. That's all from your head. Running can be all from the body if you want it to be. And if you don't want to run, you want to do this with walking, do the same thing. But so much of the injuries I've seen over the years have a lot to do with the fact that people, and me too, we get in our heads about movement and we're not in our body. So Google search will never give you any answers for you to get what you want out of your movement. It will come from your experiences. So your experience is going to dictate your relationship with your body and movement. And I just want to elaborate on this in other ways later on in different videos. I'm going to bring this up. But like I said, I have a couple of hills I run, and I stop in my runs. I don't care if I have to stop. If I have to stop, that's great. That's not a bad thing. I want to get to know how to move, and I enjoy the process. Process is a real big deal to me. Goals I call them soft goals. Goals that are just fun, but the process is everything. And that's why the balance postures I teach can have such a profound effect as they did on me, because they give you back this understanding of how to feel when you move. And you have a greater awareness, a greater enjoyment. You're much more efficient. You're less likely to get injured. Everything kind of connects. So get out of the Google, get down in the bod. More of this later. Cheers.